India's Aditya L1 spacecraft is gearing up for a groundbreaking mission as it approaches the final stages of its journey to the Lagrange Point 1. The Lagrange Point 1 is a gravitational sweet spot between the Sun and the Earth. Launched by the Indian Space Research Organisation or ISRO on September 2nd from Sriharikota, Aditya L1 has covered an impressive 15 lakh kilometers in the vast expanse of space. Its mission is to culminate on January 6th of 2024. Now in the coming days, Aditya L1 is poised to execute a complex insertion into the halo orbit around Lagrange Point 1. This critical phase demands precision in navigation and control, requiring meticulous planning and execution by ISRO's team. The significance of Lagrange Point 1 cannot be overstated. Positioned to offer an uninterrupted view of the Sun, Aditya L1 aims to study the solar atmosphere, magnetic storms and their impact on Earth's environment. The spacecraft's instruments include the Visible Emission Line Coronagraph or VELC and the Solar Ultraviolet Imaging Telescope or SOOT. They will measure crucial events such as coronal mass ejections or CMEs and interplanetary magnetic fields. However, entering the halo orbit is no small feat. The spacecraft underwent 4 Earth-bound orbital maneuvers before being injected into a transfer orbit towards L1. To ensure success, ISRO's team must constantly monitor and adjust Aditya L1's position and speed. As per ISRO, it is using onboard thrusters to counteract any deviations from the planned path. But that's not all. The spacecraft's instruments must be shielded from the intense radiation and particles emitted by the Sun. Aditya L1's stability at L1, which is an inherently unstable Lagrange point, poses additional challenges. Station-keeping maneuvers with adjustments ranging from 0.2 to 4 meters per second per year will be essential to counteract gravitational influences and solar radiation pressure. As Aditya L1 approaches its destination, the ISRO mission is on high alert. It is ready to navigate the complexities of space travel. The success of this insertion is not only crucial for India's space capabilities, but promises to unlock new insights into the mysteries of our Sun and its influence on space weather. This mission marks a significant step forward in India's space exploration endeavours, demonstrating the nation's prowess in space technology and contributing valuable data to the global scientific community. Stay tuned as we follow Aditya L1's journey to Lagrange Point 1 and the exciting discoveries that lie ahead.
आदित्य L1 का L1 पॉइंट इंसर्शन होगा जनवरी 6 में। टाइम तो आप नहीं बता सकता। ये इवेंट तो भी हम ट्रांसमिट करेंगे हमारा वेबसाइट पे, यूट्यूब से, सभी देखिएगा जनवरी 6।
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.